Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing on this path. It's a parkour game, just parkour around. There's nothing really to do, but you have a practice room. So I'm going to be playing the practice room today. So let's see. So this is the vault. So you guys may not know that I'm an actual parkourer. I parkour in real life, except for just playing Roblox. I parkour whenever I go to the park. I know the basics. So yeah. And the cool thing is, tomorrow my friend day is coming. As I told you guys in my videos, my last video. She's coming tomorrow. So tomorrow we're gonna make videos like 24/7. Like we're gonna make videos like make everything. They're watching the video. What is it? My sister thinks it's a fake video. Dumbo. Oh, I'm not even doing anything. Stop. Stop. What? Wall. Wall run. And then, yeah. Oh, what is this? I'm going to be climbing. What? How do you even do that? Double. Oh, man. I haven't had breakfast yet, but I have it right in front of me, so I'm going to be eating it. So let me just get up this wall. Jump, roll, slide, falls, falls. Wall run. Climb. So my friend, as you guys knew in the first video, he was here. So you guys don't see him that often. Do you know why? Because he lives somewhere else. Before he used to live here. Now he bought a house and then just left. All the old memories. You can't just it's hard to leave. Imagine when you like have a friend that's bought a house and then they're leaving and they've been staying with you for 5 or 6 years. It's just hard to leave them, but you just have to move on in life sometimes. But that's why he's always not going to be here, as I told you in my first video. I'm gonna miss him a lot. I'm not going to tell you where he lives. So this past few minutes, I'm going to be playing. And okay, this is on there. Yeah, here on our spot. But guys, see you in the next game. Peace. Peace out.